everyone and welcome back to Sunday Juice. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vegan Irish moss punch. This is the same drink my dad drinks, but I'm bringing to you guys the vegan stuff. And he calls it the strong back for some reason, but I don't know why. So let's get into blending. So first of all, I'm going to add 1 cup of sea moss gel, which I get mine from the seamoss.co, along with 400 ml of almond milk, 200 ml of coconut milk, 2.5 tablespoons of golden flax seeds, a handful of oats and a handful of unsalted peanuts, half a teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And now it's time to place the lid on, and you guys all know what time it is. It's time to blend it up. Now that's done, for my last ingredient, I'm going to add dates as my natural sweetener. And all I'm going to do is blend it up until it's nice and blended. Now that's done, it's time to taste. Delicious! Now that is how you make a delicious vegan Irish moss punch. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.